We're going to review the top 5 best floating TV stand, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Prepack Altus Plus. The Prepack Altus Plus 58 inches floating TV stand comes in white color. The product can hold up to 75 pounds of weight. Whether it is an LCD television or flat panel plasma, you can easily put it up on this durable stand. The product has 3 compartments for video and audio components. Let us take a look at the features of the product. It has 3 compartments for the video and audio components. Number 2. Tribesin's 2-tier modern wall-mount floating shelf TV console. Tribesin's 2-tier modern wall-mount floating TV console is a durable product which is heat-resistant, waterproof and even weatherproof. That's not all. The product is built to last and it can hold up to 70 pounds. The product is made from environment-friendly material and does not contain any type of toxic ingredient. Even though the product is space-saving, but it has enough space to keep the set-top box, remote, DVD player, projector and much more. Number 3. Martin Furniture IMSE 360C Floating TV Console. Martin Furniture IMSE 360C Floating TV Console is made of wood. It has a lovely laminated finish. The product can hold up to 120 pounds, which means it has a great capacity. The product is easy to assemble and you can mount it to the wall without any hassle. If you are looking for a product which is elegant and looks great in your home, then opt for Martin Furniture IMSE 360C TV Console. Number 4. Manhattan Comfort Cabrini Theater Panel. The Manhattan Comfort Cabrini Theater Panel has a sophisticated and modern look. The TV stand is meant for 60-inch television. It has a weight capacity of 198 pounds. If you are looking for an ideal product which hides all the wires, then this is the one you should opt for. It has 3 telescopic drawer slides and 3 media shelves. The LED lights make it look jazzy and happening. Say no to unappealing wires that ruin the whole look. This product has impressive wire management. Number 5. Feifei's 2-tier wood avenue, shelf component wall mount. Feifei's 2-tier wood, AV shelf component wall mount can hold 22 pounds of weight. There is a cable management system which helps you to avoid the mess. The product has a smart design which allows you to change the colors. When you feel that you have mounted the TV and there is not enough space for all the other devices, Feifei's comes into play. The shelves have enough space and it is easy to hang it on the wall.